Hey friends, I'm standing up here thinking about some nice sides for Easter as I eat chocolate almond candy, which is out of this world. I got this in Fernandina. Eddie, would you like a piece? It's so good. So what does Peter Cottontail like to eat? He likes to eat rabbits. I mean carrots. Peter Rabbit does not eat other Peter Rabbits. So, Peter Rabbit likes carrots. So I decided I would share this easy little recipe with y'all. And hopefully somebody in your family likes carrots. Now I've got, what is that, maybe a pound?
Yes, ma'am.
Of sliced carrots. And we're gonna steam them over boiling water for about 7 to 8 minutes. And when they're tender, I'm gonna pour them in a bowl and I'm gonna add honey, lemon juice, and butter, and get this, cilantro. So, if you don't like cilantro and you got babies that you're trying to feed, you can take these carrots and put your butter, your lemon juice, and your honey on it and put it in a food processor and make baby food. And the babies probably would like it with that little bit of honey. So, I'm gonna need the zest of, well, how much zest am I gonna need? Just a half a teaspoon of zest. And this should get ready, y'all, in maybe 7 or 8, 10 minutes, something like that, depending on how soft you want your carrots. All right, so I'm gonna zest our lemon. You know, they have zesters that are different depths. And this one's nice and deep where you can get in there and get them. But I know I picked up one out of my drawer one day and it was one of those that's like minced. I didn't think I was ever gonna get that lemon grated. So if you're going to buy a zester, make sure it's one that's got wide enough blades. See how nice that did? Okay. All right, I got to find a bowl to put carrots in when they're ready. I used to make a dish called copper pennies, and it was a vinegar and sugar dressing. Like, have you ever had copper pennies, Teresa?
Yes. I love carrots.
I like good carrots. I don't like bad carrots.
All
right, and I do like white chocolate too. I'm gonna have to move this. I'm gonna have to move it. Maybe if you could hide it from me, Eddie, and make me have to go on like an Easter egg hunt to find it. Oh, I'm just getting so excited because we're gonna have an Easter egg hunt for the grandchildren. And hopefully we'll do a video of it, right, Eddie?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. That looks like about a half a teaspoon. And how much butter was that exactly? 2 tablespoons of butter. One tablespoon of lemon juice. And 1 teaspoon of honey. And next I'm going to chop 1/4 of a cup of cilantro. And I know I've told y'all this 100 times. Either you love cilantro or you don't love it. Now, both of my sons says it tastes like soap to them, like dish soap. It doesn't taste like that to me. Does it to y'all? Is there anybody else out there that?
I don't think it tastes like soap, but I don't care for the taste of it.
You just don't like it. Okay. All right, I'm going to chop our cilantro. And like I said, the recipe calls for like 1/4 of a cup. So this is going to give this what we think of carrots. And how they taste, it's going to give them a whole new taste with this cilantro. All right, here we go. Our carrots are tender. And now I cooked them on top of a pan of boiling water. So our carrots never touch the water. Ow! Steam is hot. All right, so we're just gonna toss this in with our carrots. Okay, so that's a pretty Easter side dish to me. A little salt. A little pepper, not too much pepper that the kids won't eat the carrots.
That's not why kids won't eat carrots.
Well, you know, some children do. If you start them off on it.
Yeah, I mean, carrots have a sweet taste
Yeah.
to begin with.
I think all of our grandchildren like, you know, the carrot sticks. Okay, so let's let that cool a minute. And I'll see if we need anything else. May even want some more cilantro or some more lemon zest. It's good. But I'm like Teresa. I like carrots too. Come taste, Teresa.
Well, they look like they're about to burn your mouth, but so you have no tongue.
Just
They're good. They're different. I mean, this is a totally different.
I'm wondering if I need to cut some more cilantro.
I would say some salt.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do more cilantro, but that's just because I'm kind of like you with the.
I think after it sits in the cilantro, it will. That is so good. I am going to add the rest of that lemon zest, y'all.
You know me.
So that's it. Peter Rabbit would love it if y'all loved it. He would love for you to love it. So happy Easter, everybody. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.